So you like to make human heads, but they tend to look like this. And you want to reach a pro level in just a few hours? It's impossible. But what's possible is to improve your head sculpting, anatomy and forms with the exercises in this course. Starting from skull, making a head over it, male heads, female heads, and a couple of feedback on beginner heads, you will bump up your understanding of head anatomy, shapes and forms in a matter of days instead of months. My name is Nico and I'm a 3D character artist and teacher with over 20,000 students in all of my courses for anatomy, character creation, Blender and ZBrush. I'm also a YouTube stand-up comedy sculptor streamer with my 2 YouTube channels, SpeedChar and SpeedChar Live. In this course, we will go through the main shapes of the human head, the differences between the male and a female head, skull shapes, and their importance in the face construction, sculpting and drawing. The course is for all levels, and it's done in Blender, but you can do it in ZBrush, you can even draw it in Photoshop or iPad. In the beginning, we will start by doing the test head to see where our starting level is. Then we will make a skull with its main planes followed by a more detailed skull, all starting from a sphere. Then we will make a head over the skull, explaining thicknesses of facial features and comparing it to the skull. Then we will make series of planes of the head exercises to better understand the forms of the human head. Then few heads from another artist's works and scans. Following, I will explain the difference between male and female head by making a female out of a male head. Then we will do a couple of female heads and we will go to the feedback section. The feedback is very important since it will give you the idea of the most common mistakes and how to directly fix them. There will be around 7 female and male heads made from different beginner artists that I will fix and make look almost decent. At the end, I will even go back and fix some minor issues of my own heads made in this course. This course is for everyone who wants to improve their knowledge on face and head anatomy and shapes. Also for those who want to know what exercises to do to efficiently gather level in facial understanding. Face sculpting or drawing is essential for any 3D or 2D character artist, and I see a lot of people struggling with that for a long time, not knowing what to do. That's why I did this course, to help those in need. So if you feel like you can improve your face anatomy, drawing or sculpting, you are welcome to the Head Anatomy Sculpting exercise course. This course is for everyone who wants to improve their knowledge about face and shape anatomy of the face and heads. Face and heads. Yeah, head and face. Okay. This course is for everyone who wants to improve their knowledge on face and head forms and shapes. Okay. Also, for those who want to do something else. Okay. Also for all of you who wants to know how to efficiently gather the knowledge of blah 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 blah. It's fine. To efficiently gather level in facial understanding. Facial understanding. Amazing. It's amazing, I know.